Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from Sktacademy.com. In this video, we will learn about align tool in Revit Architecture. So with align tool, you can align objects with each other or with the reference plans. So first I will draw a reference plan, and then if I want to create a wall, you can draw. So here I want my wall to be aligned with this reference line. Now select your object, one object if you want, and then select align tool. Remember one thing, you must select your reference first. So I want to align the wall with this line, so first I will select this reference line and then I will select my wall. And one thing you must know, you can lock these objects if you want. So with parametric relationship, if I want to move this line, the wall will automatically move. For example, I want to lock it, and now if I want to move my line, the wall will be automatically moved because of the parametric relationship. Ctrl Z. You also can align multiple objects if you want. For example, I want to draw this one and also this one. Now select one object and align. Now select multiple alignment and select your reference first. So this is my reference. Now select this one, and select this one. So this is how you can align multiple objects in one command. This is how it works. It means it will move your object or it will extend your object. Whatever it needs, it will do it with move or extend. This is the first type of alignment. You also can align two walls between. For example, this is my first line and this is my second wall. Now I want to align this object to this one. Select this one object and then align, and this is my reference and this is my object which I want to be aligned with this one. So because of this, it is extended. This is how it works. Another example you can see here. Now I want to draw two parallel walls and I want to align it, this wall with this one. So select one object, align tool. Now I will select this line and I will select this line. You can lock it. So if you lock it, if I want to move this object, another will automatically move with it. Again, align tool, select your object, enter, and select this one. You also can move this one or lock this one, and if you want to move it, so it will be moved automatically. This is how it works. Another example. Now if you have and now I want to align this wall to this one, or I want to align this line to this one. So multiple alignments, select one and select align. Now I will select multiple alignments, so I will select this wall and now I will click on this one. You can lock it. Now this will be our reference, so you can see Control Z. Now select again and align. So I want to align this wall to this one. First select this wall and now click on this one. And if you want, you can lock it. Control Z. Another example, again select a wall, align tool, select this wall and now select this one. So this is how it works. Another example, I want to align some walls, select this wall and align. Now select this wall and select this one. This is how align tool works. So you can align multiple objects in one command. You also can align wall center line, wall faces, etc. if you want. So this is how align tool works, a very amazing tool Revit has. So that's it. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.